Hello everyone, welcome back once again. How are you doing? I hope the previous lessons that we had are helpful and you are using them to practice your English language. Today we are going to do the last part of reported speech. That means we have seen the first video, we have seen reported statements, and the second video we have seen reported questions. And today we are going to see the third and the last part, reported orders and requests. Okay, we're going to talk about orders and requests. If you remember in the previous lessons, when we want to tell what someone said to another person, we call that, or we need to use a reported speech format. So we use a reported speech to report what one person says to another. And the same is true with the reported questions. When we want to tell what another person asked to another person, we use reported questions format. So today, how about requests? Okay, when someone requests something, and if another person is there, and if he wants to know what the other person requests or what the other person orders or commands, so we need to use this format of reporting requests, orders, or commands, right? So basically, so when we want to report an order or a request, okay, when we want to report an order or a request, we can use a verb like tell, okay, with a to clause, like he told me to do this, okay, she told me to do that. For example, if it is a command or order, if it is the direct speech says close the door, so he told me to close the door. Okay, if it is make your bed, okay, so mom told me or warned me to make my bed, right? So basically there is a slight difference with the previous one, because we might make changes in the pronouns, but basically there isn't that much change in the tense, okay, in our usage of tenses. So we're not going to make that much change. We use the verb as it is, okay, as it is usually. So tell with a to clause, like he told me to go away, you see. So the order is go away. So we use he told me to go away. He told me to go away. So the direct speech was go away. Go away. So when we report it, we make it he told me to go away. So this is the pattern. Verb, that is tell, told, warn, warned, okay, order, ordered, etc. Plus indirect object. The indirect object is the person who receives that order, okay? That means me in this case, for example. So indirect object plus to clause, okay? What is the action that is to be done? Okay, to go away, to close the door, to clean the room, to make my bed, etc. Right? So this is the to clause. So the indirect object is the person spoken to, or that order is told to. So other verbs, okay, used to report orders and requests. What other verbs are there to report orders and requests? Reporting verbs like command, order, warn, ask, advise, invite, beg, teach, etc. So these and many other reporting verbs can be used when we want to report orders and requests. Orders and requests. In our daily life, we receive different orders, okay, or we give different orders, and we provide different types of help, okay, or we offer help. So when we want to talk about such things, it's clear that we need, okay, or it's clear that when we report such kind of incidents, we use the reporting format. So for example, look at these sentences. There are four direct speech orders, okay, or requests. So the doctor, for example, the doctor said to me, stop smoking. So the doctor said to me, stop smoking. So that is one. The second one, get out of the car. Okay, get out of the car. The policeman, okay, say the policeman. Get out of the car, say the policeman. And could you please be quiet? Could you please be quiet? Could you please be quiet? So she said, you can be in the library talking to a friend, so the librarian can come and ask, could you please be quiet? You are in the library. So that is one. And the last one, don't move. Okay? Don't move. Said the man with a gun. Okay? There is this man with a gun, and he said, don't move. So how are we going to report these things? When we report these things, okay, usually, as I told you, we don't need much change with the tense of the direct speech. Okay, there can be a pronoun change, but basically what plays the role here is the reporting verb. For example, the doctor said to me, stop smoking. Stop smoking. So we report it like, the doctor told me to stop smoking. Just like I told you, the verb, the reporting verb plus the indirect object plus the to clause. Okay, so the verb is told. Okay, the doctor told me. Okay, the doctor told me to do what? To stop smoking. To stop smoking. So this is the first one. The second one, get out of the car, said the policeman. Get out of the car, said the policeman. So the policeman ordered him to get out of the car. Okay, to get out of the car. So except we add the to phrase, the rest of the direct speech part is fully used here. Stop smoking, okay, get out of the car, but we add to. Okay, the policeman ordered him to get out of the car. And then the third one, could you please be quiet? Could you please be quiet? So she asked us to be quiet. Okay, that is a request, polite request. Could you please be quiet? So she asked us, okay, she asked us to be quiet. Okay, to be quiet. The last one, don't move, said the man with the gun. Okay, so the man with the gun warned. Okay, when someone says don't move, okay, is warning. So the man with a gun warned us, because this is negative, don't move. It's not like the other one, stop smoking, and others. We add not. Okay, not to plus the rest of the phrase. So the man with a gun warned us not to move. Okay, not to move. The man with a gun warned us not to move. Not to move. So basically, these are some of the most important things that we have to know when we learn about the reported speech, orders and requests. So here when we request for an object, okay, request for an object, that means if you want something, if you are requesting something, okay, how are we going to report? Okay, so requests for objects are reported using the pattern, he asked for something. For example, could you give me a pencil or a pen? So you say he asked for a pen or for a pencil, like that. So for example, can I have an apple? Can I have an apple? She asked. So she asked simply for an apple. She asked for an apple. Okay, she asked for an apple. She asked for an apple. Sugar, please. Okay, sugar, please. She asked for a sugar. Okay, she asked for the sugar. She asked for the sugar. Can I have a glass of water? Can I have a glass of water? He asked for a glass of water. He asked for a glass of water. All right. So some two exercises here. I want you to have a look at them. I want you to have a look at them. The first direct speech says, close the window. The second one is, don't come here again. Okay? How are we going to report this? How are we going to report this? Let me give you 2 minutes. Okay? 2 minutes. And then we'll do it together and we'll wind up our lesson on this topic. So, close the window, the man said. Okay? Close the window, the man said. And don't come here again. Okay? Don't come here again. Have a look at them and then see how we can convert them. Okay? So, the man told me, okay, the teacher ordered, okay, us, okay, or ordered me. So close the window. The man told me to, simply to close the window. Okay, so the man told me to close the window. To close the window. The second one, don't come here again. The teacher ordered us not to go there again. Okay, again. So the teacher ordered us not to go there, or not to come there again, or not to go there again. So these are the useful activities, okay, that we have seen today. All right, that we have seen today. So generally, there were 3 videos, okay, that we have seen in the past series, which talks about reported direct or indirect speech. So we have seen the reported statements, we have seen the reported questions, and we have seen reported orders and requests. I hope you find them useful, and if you have any questions, please write to me under the comment section. And if you want me to do any other, grammatical lesson, please, you can, okay, suggest, Solomon, please do a lesson on this, all right, or give us a lesson on this. I will do that immediately. I will do that immediately. Once again, thank you for joining me on Kalal English here, and I hope you found our lessons here useful. If that is so, please share to your groups, and like and comment, okay? And most importantly, if you don't subscribe to this channel, please subscribe to it. Thank you so much. See you in our next episode. Have a wonderful time. Bye.